Steady. Yeah! The force! Izzy's toy time! Today is challenge day. Daddy had an idea. What's your idea?
I'm not telling.
I like your shirt.
Oh, you like it?
Baba, I like your shirt.
It's Izzy's toy time because when I wanted to wake up, I wanted to get Izzy's toy time on.
And my challenge is look up.
Okay.
You see the railing?
I see it.
I feel like we could get a Thomas track all the way down to the ottoman.
Dude, how? They don't stick, baby.
Using those gray supports.
You need tape to go to put it back.
Babe, he has a good point. Tape when all else fails. Let's do it. All right, Team ITT fam, let's go! Let's go! Last person up has to clean it all up.
Oh. These right here, they click really aggressively, and I think that we could get a bunch of straights and make it all the way to the ottoman.
Here's your other problem that I foresee happening.
Look, I'm an ideas guy, not a problems guy.
And I'm the problem solver. This is how we work. We need some sort of stability up here to hold it down. I'm gonna get the tape.
Yeah.
You need the longest ones.
Yeah, do I need the longest ones, man? I was gonna do it with like 1-inch ones.
I don't think you're gonna make it. Look, I'm usually the optimist in the family. I don't know that this is gonna work.
You gotta have optimism.
This is the backup tape just in case. Bless you.
Thank you.
Is it holding?
Sort of, I mean.
Okay, now angle it
It's
down.
weak. So look, if we tape it right now, how are we gonna reach it? Did you
No,
think about
I'm not
that?
talking about that. How's it gonna go all the way down and support itself up here? The weight is just gonna make it catapult.
Well, once it gets to a certain height, we'll tape it. Because right now, we can't reach it. Because look, babe, let me explain to you. Watch. I'm taking crazy pills. Look, let's say we tape it. How are you gonna add to it? You genius.
It's like tracks, man. I'm living in a world of tracks.
Look, babe, how am I gonna add to that? Like, let me just get some,
Really
some
tall ladder.
Right? So let's make it a little bit longer. Babe, this is not gonna hold. This is one of the worst ideas I've ever had.
That's hilarious. Baba, your castle is looking pretty good. I like all your art.
Babe, you're usually the voice of reason. Why didn't you stop me? This isn't gonna work. Look.
Oh man, that looks cool though. Go on, try to see.
Baba, stay far away from the stairs.
Oh man.
I mean, look,
Oh, that doesn't sound good. Babe, it'll hold.
it'll hold.
We're on a mission. We need to find all the gray pieces.
And the straights. I thought we had more straights than this guy.
Oh.
Man, guys, do you ever like do a thing knowing fully well it's not actually gonna work, but you just want to see how it fails? Because that's pretty much Izzy's toy time right now. Oh my gosh, man!
No, that's a riddle.
Yeah.
Baba! It's working!
Wow. What are your thoughts?
Oh, I'm not thinking. I'm way past thinking, man.
Man, it's malleable.
Here, Daddy.
Why is this so? I thought in my head it would be straight. Babe, I like how you're like, what are your thoughts? Does it look like I'm thinking about anything right now?
Whoa.
Okay, we got a fork.
Okay.
We got a fork.
Babe, I can grab it from that side. Hold on. I'm gonna go grab it from that side. I can reach it.
I'm gonna grab it.
Wait, so that we can start attaching from there. I got it. I got it.
Okay, take it slow.
Okay.
Daddy built this, so it's not very stable.
Okay, I got it. Guys, this is gonna happen. Babe, can we, okay, look. I need you to undo it from that rung and do it into another rung from the top.
Hey, those words don't make any sense.
Look,
Wrong.
I need to use this as a stabilizer.
What? There's just no, babe. This is Indiana Jones style.
Babe, Indiana Jones style.
There's a floor.
Land it right there!
Go fast and floor. You'll understand when my vision is complete.
How much more space do you have over there?
Busy up here, bro.
I'm starting to get sweaty.
Hey, what do I do? Hey, babe, what do I do?
You need to use this as a support.
Temporarily.
We need to tape it to the top so we can work from the bottom.
Okay.
Okay.
Their tape is right on a couch.
Oh, no.
Okay, I'm gonna just drop it. I think it can hang.
Babe, heavy.
Babe, this is like the crazy craziest doom drop we've ever had, ever.
Hold this real quick, okay?
Okay, wait, hold on. I have to get comfortable.
I don't think we need tape yet, and I'll explain in a moment, okay?
All right.
Oh man, that one right there is looking iffy.
Hey, they're
See
all
that?
iffy. Are you serious?
I can't believe this. Oh, I felt something.
No, babe.
That one right there is becoming undone. That one right there.
I don't know why.
That's because that's all the stress.
I can't imagine why. It's not like it weighs 30 pounds.
That's what you've been doing. Just do it real.
Oh no! Oh
It's right there.
no.
Babe, if this thing drops, our whole thing, we have to do it all over again. It's right there.
Babe, if it drops,
Hold
I'm
on.
going to the bathroom and I'm never coming back.
It's right here. The support's starting to
No,
give.
no,
Babe,
it's
we need
not.
pressure on the bottom. I have to hold it on the bottom.
But babe, the problem is once you hold it on the bottom, you're out of commission. You're done. Like
Yeah.
you can't move.
Yeah, like it needs to be held up. Let me go get something for it to hold up on.
Hold on. So watch this. What
Okay.
I'm going to do is this is going to snap, guys.
Oh,
This has
babe,
been
it's
real.
gonna
It's been
snap
real.
right there.
It's been
I'm
real.
just gonna hold
Just
it.
hold it. Just hold it. I need to.
You hear it creaking?
Yeah, it's.
Babe,
like,
I gotta get it from the
Ah!
I gotta get it from the I'm coming!
Babe, we gotta support it. Something.
I'm telling you the banister! You never listen to me! I have a ladder.
What ladder?
A tall ladder will get it. Look, all it needs to do is sit. I got a ladder that's about that high. Can you hold on for just a second?
Okay, but don't let it go. Drop it gracefully.
Okay. Okay. Okay, hold on. I got the ladder. Okay. Hold on, I gotta get it right. Oh,
Can you bring it further out towards the ottoman?
yeah, hold on. What happened? What happened? Oh no!
Babe, this is your fault.
It's not bad. Daddy's working on stabilizing up there. I'm going to come and reinforce the reinforcements.
Yeah, but look, I'm coming down the stairs.
Hi, baby. You gonna come help me reinforce the reinforcements? Okay, you ready for me? I'm gonna attach.
No, I'm not ready yet. I'm trying to stabilize this. We can do this, guys.
I think so. I think we're gonna need Mr. Horse too. It's time for you to come to battle. Stabilizing battle. Yes. All right, Daddy. I'm sweating, man. What about you?
Babe, this shed
Oh.
weighs 1,000 pounds. So
Yeah.
I think that there's an answer here somewhere, but where's the roundabout? There it is.
Tape.
No tape yet?
Yet, he says, I like that there's a possibility. He knows the value. That's how you've been keeping it together. Oh,
Like
the
that?
door's holding it.
Yeah, if you open those doors, it's gonna be bad. Look, all I know is that this is heavy, and I need this to leverage that.
Well, you need something over here too. Look at that thing right there. It's about to buckle. Look at it.
Yeah, it's awful.
Babe, don't just hit it.
Should my heart just stop?
I just
You know
got it.
what? I'm overthinking this.
Yeah.
Animals
perfect.
are on the ottoman waiting for a trap.
Oh, I see your animals, Bubba. There they are. They're waiting. They might be waiting there for a while.
Oh, guys, this is a much better solution. It's the same
What?
principle. It's only being held by a single plastic door, but
It's
it has
heavy.
all of this counterweight.
Okay. All right, are you ready for me to go down there?
Sort of. Yeah,
Okay.
let's do this.
So, babe, a thought occurs. Okay, look. The closer this thing goes to straight down, the flimsier it gets.
Right.
We need to honor the straightness, which means we need to do something else. Because right now we're dipping straight down, babe.
Well, not until we have the rest of it and it lands on something.
Exactly. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, here we go, here we go. Okay, here we go.
All right.
Let's hand it to mommy.
Okay, you need to put your hand on the end of that and pull it up. Put it as if we were going, babe, the tail.
Oh! Babe, you gotta be more clear. Yeah, mommy.
Well, I'm not good with my words sometimes.
Okay, like our
Okay.
situation has improved, but not really.
Hold on, keep it up like that.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Hold on.
Ah!
Move this way, move this way. All right, we touch, so this needs to go better this way. Hold on. Okay.
Ah, babe, look, it can take a fair amount of pull. Uh-oh,
Don't pull on that.
it has to. God, babe, you have to go up. It's detached from something.
Nuh-uh. Okay.
What's attached?
What detached?
Should anything attach? This thing should be able to pull really tight, and that would help us.
Yeah. Oh, babe, stop pulling, stop pulling. The shed isn't as strong as you thought it was. Babe, I figured it out. The two bridges, they are giving us the pullback. They will not be able to go any further.
Can I drop this?
No, let me go get the stuff. Ah! Yes! Yes! I'm coming down with stuff. I think this should do us. Bubba, what are you doing over here?
Look out, Aunt. The animals are here.
Oh, where are they?
Look out. Right here, Aunt.
Oh, hi, animals.
So this one is Scratchy and Bob, and this one is Monkey I'm just holding on.
Oh, nice. Hi, guys. You watching the show?
Yeah.
Is it interesting?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, you said good job.
Oh, that's nice, Monkey. Thank you. Babe, that's smart to do it down here like this. I was just gonna do it straight on.
Like, we know that it's pretty stable up to like maybe this log.
Yeah.
And then it gets weird.
Yep. Are we ready? Oh man, this is so exciting.
Look at this.
Okay.
Strong, stable.
Okay, I'm ready.
This is Daddy Engineering.
Okay.
Putting it on horsey. Oh.
Okay, is it on? Wait, is it
Hold
on
on.
horsey?
Sort of. Keep going. Stop.
Okay.
Watch what you're doing,
Oh
babe.
man, I kind of do like 5 things. Danger!
Those creaking, it sounds like a pirate ship right now.
Huh?
Listen, I need to pull this. This is too far of an incline. No train will ever make that.
No, you need
I have to pull it
it.
straight.
Oh, babe,
But we
hold
have
on.
the weight. We have the
Oh,
weight.
hold on.
I'm doing it.
Wait. It's working. We need a stabilizer to put on top of this.
Look, do you see how it's straightening everything out by me pulling it?
Yeah.
And this is wood, right? Like, the bending is what's hurting it. and
Oh,
the stretching.
babe, let me get Mario. It could sit on his belly. Mario! We need you! Come on! Okay.
Okay, mommy, watch this.
What?
Real quick.
What?
I'm gonna pull.
Wait, what are you doing?
I'm just gonna pull.
Okay.
Okay, look. I'm not a smart man, but I feel like this should be able to pull as hard as you can.
Babe. Okay, don't move. Don't move. Don't move. I think it would be better if we put him upside down, actually, because he'll have a better base. You need something to land on. Hold on. Hold on, it just, there. Babe, it's perfect. If we put it on his head, it would be too high.
Okay, mommy, listen.
Okay,
Basically, I need you to get down to the ground. Could you make like 20 more of these?
Yeah.
10 more.
done.
Mario's put a far on trick when it goes.
Mario's gonna fart. Mario, he's still.
Are you like Mario doing nothing?
He is though. He's keeping it straight. Okay, let me make him real fast. Will this do it?
Yes.
Oh.
Careful.
Mario's doing a good job.
Now look, I'm pulling
Okay.
on this fairly aggressively. I
Okay.
need to double check upstairs to make sure. Like, how steady is it up there?
It was pretty steady. It's
Okay.
not going anywhere.
Like, babe, I'm pulling on it really hard right now.
Okay, I got you. Hey, babe, it's solid up there, right?
Yeah. Solid.
Oh, I see what you did with the bridges, babe.
Yeah, doesn't that work?
Pull, gently.
Okay, I'm pulling.
Pull.
I'm pulling.
It's solid.
It's, what moved? The thing behind me moved.
No, Mario moved.
Nuh-uh. I'm sweating, babe.
Dy, I know. This is gonna be our counterweight on the bottom.
Okay.
So this is gonna go down. Oh, of course we need a
Oh, no,
dog
that
bone.
You have another minor problem, sir. There's only one door.
Yeah! Oh, I thought it was on the other side. Like this? This is the silliest thing we've ever done. Where did the doors go?
Right? I think this was one of the first ones we got. We were like, oh my gosh, we don't have one of these yet. Oh,
By the way, all of this is being held up by one dog bone. How fitting is that?
that's so funny. Close that door.
Close it.
Close it. I was trying to get a neck in. Oh no! You forgot to put a stabilizer.
I need to, Bubs, stabilizer. Okay, we are secure. Mommy has a neck ache now. It's understandable.
Okay.
Okay, mommy, let go. Mario. Mario, you're doing good work, son.
Oh my gosh.
Let go, let go, let go.
Babe, this is being held up by Mario!
Babe, take Mario out. We don't need him.
No, we do.
For real?
I don't think you understand.
I don't.
Come here, let me show you.
Hold on, I'm gonna pull this, okay? Guys, I'm gonna pull.
Look up when you pull.
I'm gonna pull.
Babe, don't pull it.
Why? Guys, I'm pulling. Guys, I'm pulling. Is this bad? Should I stop pulling?
Stop pulling. Stop pulling. Stop pulling.
Okay, I'm gonna pull.
No. No.
No.
I wanna pull so bad.
No.
Okay. Guys, we're stabilized. Let's get a train.
Oh, my goodness. That has made it all the way down by the grace of Mario's butt. Ah, who put Toby here? We cannot let Toby go down this. Toby, you are too painful. Wait, is Toby stabilizing this? Oh, no. Okay, Toby, you rest there. Watch the others go down. Let's go choose some, Baba. No motorized. That would be catastrophic. Oh, it's hard to choose, isn't it? Flora's tram. We would say go through that, but no. Okay, guys. Daddy, can you see it? You ready? Here we go. We have a smaller one. Here we go. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Come on. Oh, where are they having trouble? Is it, babe? It's Mario. Can you take Mario down?
Hold on.
You got it. You got it. You're the chosen one, Toby. I have an idea. You need to hold it in the middle somewhere.
I don't like this at all, man.
Okay, pull it, Darth. You gotta pull it, Darth.
Darth Vader.
Darth Vader, pull it. Steady. Yeah! The Force was with the dark side. We got another one. Now it's safe to take this one. Steady. Oh, no! Oh, yes. Yes, babe. Yes. All right. It's time to try Toby. Y'all ready?
I'm standing in a terrible position.
Get ready. He's gonna go slowly down. Come on, dude. Keep pulling, babe. Keep pulling. Come on. Toby! No! Oh, let's make sure everybody's looking good. We're looking good.
Toby.
That's still good. Toby. Oh, here are these guys. You guys are troopers, man.
I am pulling on this thing as hard as I can.
Nuh-uh.
I told you, man. Look.
I hear Toby. Toby, are you okay? Toby's okay!
Hey,
Huh.
will Toby go up?
What?
Will Toby go up?
Look, he's making tracks in the carpet.
Come on.
Oh. Why didn't we ever think to put Toby up? What? Here you go, Bubba. Go up and make those go down. Guys, Toby's doing it. Babe, how are you holding it?
My fingers hurt. I'm getting like carbon dioxide poisoning, but I'm good.
Carbon dioxide poisoning.
Get rid of this
I
thing.
want to watch him up here.
It's coming up, Bubba. Can you see him coming up? He's making it. Oh, guys. Guys, that's where our problem is. That's where our problem is. I have to squish this down. That's barely in there. Okay, I got it. Oh my gosh, is he gonna make it? I have to go up higher. Oh, he's gonna make it.
Man.
Hi, Toby.
Oh no, oh
Hey, look how far it's gone.
no. Toby! Oh my goodness. Hold on, see if I can help him. Nope, we're gonna spare you, Toby. Just, you put it right there. Okay, Bubba, we're ready, honey.
My fingers are scared.
Yeah! Toby, let's see it. Oh no! Let's see it. Guys, I think Toby going up was our masterpiece. Oh, here comes the caboose. Ball! Maybe looking at me with Darth and you're nodding your head. Oh, babe! Oh!
Look at the dog bone. You have no idea how much force it's holding. It's holding like 100 pounds.
Oh my goodness! Guys, this is it. We did it. Hope you had a good time. Now it's time to take it down.
Okay. Oh gosh, this thing is holding.
Is it heavy? Is it heavy?
I just want to see. The scientist nerd in me wants to see
Okay.
how much force I could pull on it before.
Okay.
It's like straight. It's like straight.
Wow. Whoa. Should I go throw one down?
I told you you don't listen to me.
Oh my goodness. Should we throw one down?
I'm holding on to the
It's wiggling with your laughter. Pull it, Daddy.
Hey, what do you think I'm doing over here?
Nuh-uh. It's that strong?
I could hang
Look,
off. I could
you're-
hang like Tarzan off of this thing right now.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Okay, keep holding on to it. I'm gonna go throw one down. Hey, the bridge has totally worked! Okay, hold on. Bubba's gonna try it again. Ready? Oh! Daddy says he wants Flying Scotsman big jigs. Where is it? There it is. This is gonna be fast. Are you up for the challenge, Flying Scotsman? Baby, you doing okay?
Great.
Okay.
The weirdest day of my life.
Okay, hold on. All right, come on, dude. You can make the, oh, that's not good. I can only help you a little. Come on. Come on. See, it's those little divots, but he's doing it. Come on, dude. Come on. You only have a little bit more to go. Babe. Ah. He's starting to go backwards. No, he's going. He's going. Come on. Come on. I gotta catch him. I gotta catch him. Okay. Jiggle it, babe. I gotta catch him. Oh, wait. I have a ladder. Hold on. Okay. Okay. All right, dude. Okay. You can make it, man. You can make it. Baby's going in. Yeah. Good job, Daddy.
Thank you.
That was a great idea. All right, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Okay, Daddy, you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, pull, twist.